It's the crow. It's Wednesday. The crow is back. I saw 3 of them. I'm curious because there was a family of 4 and I only see 3. So, curious what that's about. The doves are here. The doves are here as well. The mourning doves. I noticed less grackles. I don't know if it's seasonal. Less grackles, more mourning doves. I'm seeing a squirrel. So far we've got deer and cat and mourning dove and crows. 1 crow, but I know I saw the other crows. So it's really something. Look at them. It's nice to see them group up, the mourning doves. Look how many. And they're enjoying the peanuts. All right, everybody, have a wonderful Wednesday. Make it spectacular, and prayers continued for Texans.